Game 7, how do you like your chances and usually ano bang concern mo pagka ganitong tigtigan ng laban?
Well, my main concern really is how prepared my players are mentally and not only physically but mentally and emotionally to play a big game like this.
And ano ba to, coach? Labanan ng talent, character, will, or how do you describe it?
It's going to be will, the talent, the coaching. It's really about will tomorrow, especially in the end game.
And sa tingin mo, yung pag-asa, chance ninyo to get this final game, Game 7?
I feel very good. We've given ourselves a chance. So, now that we're here, yeah, I feel very good about our chances tomorrow.
And lastly, coach, mayroon medyo side story, about the comment of Tim Cone with regards to Macmac. Would you care to react on that?
No, it doesn't bother me.
All right.
Thank you.